Hello everyone, it's Rachel here at Clarty Hands Crafts, and today I have a quick multi-pocket tutorial for you which is suitable for a single-sided non-directional sheet of paper. We're going to start by folding the paper in half with the long edges together. Open it out and then fold the top corners in towards the centre line. You want to be working with the back of the paper facing towards you. So do that with both top corners and crease them thoroughly. Fold the bottom edge up towards the centre, align it with that centre line, making sure it doesn't overlap those corner pieces. You'll need to burnish that crease a bit to make it easier to fold in the next step. Fold the bottom right corner upwards so that it lines up to make an isosceles triangle pointing towards the right. A bone folder or a ruler might be helpful to make sure that there's no ripple where the doubled over paper is being folded. Squash the creases down too, and then repeat this for the left hand side as well. You'll know you've lined it up right when the top left hand corner and the bottom right hand corner have a line leading from one to the other. Swivel the pocket round so that the top is now at the bottom, and then fold that open bottom edge up to meet the centre line. Smooth that down, then flip the paper over and fold the right hand point inwards so that it creates a right angle at the top right hand side of the pocket. Do the same again with the left hand side, and then tuck one of the points inside of the other to make it look secure and to look neater, like so. Open the side flaps out so that you can apply glue to the bottom edges of them. This will seal the bottom shut, which will make the back pocket hold anything that you put inside it instead of slipping through. But remember, one side should be slotted inside the other. I forgot to do this at first, and then I ended up having to peel it off and then slip it back inside. You can then fill your pockets up with lots of pieces of ephemera, tags and embellishments. The tiered chevron pockets make it easy to make a pretty display. I used some pieces from a kit called Postcards from Rose from lavenderblueart.com, and I'm working with this kit for my design team project this month, so I'll have another video coming soon to show you how I used it. So thank you very much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you again next time for the next one. See you later, bye!